Hey! In this short tutorial I'll show you how to easily monetize a marketplace of services with WordPress. Generally, there are at least two ways to monetize a service marketplace. The first and the most common way is charging a commission on every transaction made through the website, and the second one is charging users for listing their services on your website. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up both models. For the sake of this guide, I'm gonna use WordPress, the most popular website building platform, Hive, a free plugin for building any type of directory and listing websites, and its paid listings extension that allows you to charge users for adding and featuring listings. Also, I'll use the Hive theme with its demo content imported. It's a lightweight, clean, and modern WordPress theme that allows you to build a marketplace of services or digital downloads such as Fiverr or Upwork. I'll use it as an example to show you how to monetize a service marketplace. You can follow the link in the description to learn more about Hive, check its live demo, or ask developers any pre-purchase questions. By the way, if you want to create a freelance platform like Fiverr with WordPress, you can click on the suggested link to check our step-by-step tutorial. Okay, let's navigate to the WordPress dashboard and install the theme. To install the Hive theme, navigate to the Appearance Themes page and click Add New. Then click on the Upload Theme button, select the theme zip file to upload, and proceed by installing and activating it. Once you activate the theme, you'll get a suggestion to install the recommended plugins. Simply follow the link and then start the installation. Now click on the return link and proceed by activating plugins. When you activate WooCommerce, it will automatically launch its setup wizard. You should go through all the steps to set up payments for your marketplace. But I'll skip it in this video since every website has its own unique details and payment methods. Now, let's import the Hive demo content to start with pre-made layouts. To do that, go to the Plugins, Add New section, and find the one-click demo import plugin via the search bar. Then install and activate it. Next, navigate to the Appearance Import Demo Data page and click on the Import button. Let's take a look at our website. As you can see, the demo content was imported successfully, and now we can start setting up the monetization models for our marketplace of services. First of all, let's set up commission rates so we can charge vendors for their transaction processed through the website. To do that, navigate to the WordPress dashboard, Hive Settings, Vendors section. Here is the commission rate field where you can set a custom rate. The commission rate is set as a percentage value. For example, if you set it as 10, there will be a commission of 10% on each sale. Once you set the commission rate, click on the Save Changes button. Also, it's possible to set a custom commission rate for each vendor. To do that, go to the Vendors section and select one of the service providers. In this field, you can set a custom commission rate for this user. That's it! I'll show you a bit later how everything works on the front end, but now let's set up the second monetization model. Let's create several listing packages with different per category restrictions, so users will have to choose one of them if they want to list services on your website. In order to create listing packages, you need to install the paid listings extension in the Hive Extensions section. Here you can see the list of the available Hive add-ons that you can purchase or install for free to extend your website functionality. Locate the paid listings extension and proceed by installing and activating it. Okay, now we have everything necessary to create listing packages. Go to the Listings Packages section and click Add New. For example, let's start with adding a free package. Enter the package title, describe it, and set the maximum number of listing submissions. Then simply publish it. Once you are done with the free package, let's add a premium one. To do this, navigate to the WooCommerce Products section to add a new product, so you can link it with the package later. Here, you need to fill the name field, mark it as a virtual product, and set the price. Then publish it. Now, let's return to the Listings Packages section and add a new premium package. Enter the package title, fill in the description, then set the maximum number of listing submissions and select the WooCommerce product that you have just created. Finally, click on the Publish button. Okay, now it's time to test how these two monetization models work on the front end. Let's sign out and register a new user account to get a better idea of how everything works for users. Simply log out of the admin account. Now click on the Sign In button. Then click on the Register button, fill in the required fields, and finish the registration. Firstly, we'll try to list a service using one of the listing packages, and then we'll buy one of the existing services to check how the commission rates work. To do that, click on the List a Service button and select one of the categories. Here, you need to fill in the listing details and click on the Submit Listing button. That's it! As you can see, users will have to select one of the listing packages in order to submit a new listing. For example, if users choose the premium package, they will be redirected to the checkout page to provide billing details and make the payment. That's the first model that you can use to monetize your service marketplace. Now, let's take a look at the second one and check how the commissions work. Simply navigate to the Services page and select any service. For example, let's select this one that costs $99 and click on the Buy Now button. There is a redirect to the checkout page. Let's fill in the details and proceed. Okay, once the checkout is completed, let's switch back to the admin account and check the vendor's balance. Navigate to the My Account section. As you can see on the chart, the vendor's revenue is $99. But in the balance field, we can see that the user's profit is 10% lower than the revenue, since the commission that we have set previously was taken. That's how it works! Now you can start monetizing your marketplace of services in at least two different ways: by charging users for listing services and by charging a commission on every transaction made through the website. Also, keep in mind that if you want to create and monetize a service marketplace with WordPress, you can easily do it with the Hive plugin and its Task Hive theme, since they have all the required features for building a marketplace of services right out of the box. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, or you can follow the link in the description to learn more about Hive, its themes and extensions. Have a great day!